Hello everybody. Trying to get the doors open on my 205. I've looked everywhere online, couldn't get anything to show how the bloody thing works. So I says I'd make a video. So here it is. This is the door lock. That's what it looks like. So this one here is the door handle. This one is the lock. Same here. This is the door handle. This one is the lock. So what happens is the door shuts and that thing shoots across so that it's caught on the door. So if you're trying to open it, you need to get this thing up, and then this one will open it. Or if you can get the inside ones, this one has to be in the up position, and then this one will open it. There you are. That might help somebody.